Hello guys, today I will show you how to make macaroni chicharon. So you boil the noodles. You can have the tiny noodles. I'm gonna show you in a little bit. So you need to boil the macaroni, and then you need to put it outside and let it dry before you will fry it. I'll show you in a little bit. Okay guys, here's the noodle. I boiled the noodle first, and then once it's boiled, when it's soft, you put it outside, let it dry, become like this, and then you will fry it. I'll show you step by step. Guys, here is the deep fried chicharon or macaroni chicharon. It looks pretty good. This is just tiny macaroni. If you get the longer ones like the panini type pasta, it will be a lot better. But this one is not bad. So if you want to do it, try it. It's really good. And then guys, here is the deep fried macaroni chicharon. Since we got the smaller one, so it looks like popcorn. So what we did, make two kinds. The other one I'm gonna put some cheese because it's still hot. And then the other one I'm gonna put just garlic salt or just regular garlic or the butter flavor. So we have two kinds. And then if you like to put, actually it's really good and crunchy. This is really good for snacks. I can take this to go to work, because this is, you know, it's healthy because you're the one who did it. And then the other one is cheese flavor. That's pretty good. I love it. Yeah, it looks popcorn because we got the smaller macaroni. If you get the panini pasta, then it will come out bigger. But actually, it's very good. So my friends, try it. I love it. Enjoy your macaroni chicharon. Thank you for watching.